Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix entry point not found. The procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library api-ms-win-crt-1-1-1-0.dll in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down, select the download option and download it. Select the download option again and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. You just need to select the install option and install all of these. Wait for this to install complete. After getting installation done, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Visual C++ Redistributables for Visual Studio 2015. Click on this drop down and select your language over here and then select the download option and download it. Now this link is for 32-bit operating system. This is for 64-bit operating system. If you don't know your bit, then you just need to go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system bit guys. In my case, 64-bit. After knowing that, check mark the bit you are using. This is for 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, click on it and install it. Select I agree and select install. In my case, I already installed this one so that the setup is failed at. After getting installation done, this Visual C++, just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to finish. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.